Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify affiliate program for e-commerce store signups, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into the Shopify affiliate program, start by visiting the Shopify affiliate website. In your web browser, enter the Shopify affiliate program URL. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address and password associated with your account. If you do not have an account yet, click on the sign up link to create one. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the login button to access your dashboard. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link for password recovery. Follow the prompts to reset your password and return to the login page. After logging in, you will see an overview of your affiliate performance. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. From here, you can access resources, track your earnings, and view your referral links. To promote Shopify, navigate to the Promotions or Resources section. Copy your unique affiliate links for sharing on your platforms. Always check for updated promotional materials to enhance your marketing efforts. If you encounter any issues while logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable. You may also clear your browser's cache or try a different browser to resolve any technical issues. Now you are ready to start promoting the Shopify affiliate program effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.